Hello guys, welcome to Fun with Learning. This is 7th video in the series of Mission CHSL 40 days for the session 22 to 23. I hope you have watched previous day's video. If not, you can get the link in the I button. And guys, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Now let's begin with today's question, and the first question is: all of the four rivers mentioned below are rivers of Kerala. Which of these is the southernmost river of the state? नीचे उल्लेखित चारों नदियां केरल की नदियां हैं। इनमें से कौन सी राज्य की सबसे दक्षिणी नदियां हैं? द आंसर इज नेयर रिवर। नेयर रिवर originates from Agasthyarkudam hills and then passes through Nayantinkara. The main tributaries of Neyer river are Kallar and Karavalir. Moving to next question: Who was the first health minister of independent India? स्वस्थ भारत के पहले स्वास्थ्य मंत्री कौन थे? द आंसर इज राजकुमारी अमृत कौर। Rajkumari Amrit Kaur founded the Indian Council for Child Welfare. She also led the foundation of AIMS and Lady Irwin College in Delhi. Moving to next question: Who among the following was killed by Chhatrapati Shivaji in the Battle of Pratapgarh? निम्नलिखित में से कौन छत्रपति शिवाजी द्वारा प्रतापगढ़ के युद्ध में मारा गया था? The answer is अफजल खान। The Battle of Pratapgarh was fought on November 10, 1659 at the fort of Pratapgarh near the town of Satara, Maharashtra. Moving to next question: Where is the headquarter of ONGC are located? ONGC का मुख्यालय कहाँ स्थित है? The answer is देहरादून। ONGC is an Indian government-owned crude oil and natural gas corporation. It was established in 1956. Moving to next question: Where was the first non-aligned movement meet held? पहली गुट निरपेक्ष आंदोलन नैम की बैठक कहाँ आयोजित की गई थी? एंड द आंसर इज बेलग्रेड। द नैम इज फोरम ऑफ 120 डेवलपिंग वर्ल्ड स्टेट्स दैट आर नॉट फॉर्मली अलाइंड विथ और अगेंस्ट एनी मेजर पावर ब्लॉक। द नैम वॉज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन 1961 इन बेलग्रेड, यूगोस्लाविया। मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज द चेयरमैन ऑफ द 15th फाइनेंस कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया? निम्नलिखित में से कौन भारत के 15वें वित्त आयोग के अध्यक्ष हैं? द आंसर इज एन.के. सिंह। फाइनेंस कमीशन वाज कंस्टिट्यूटेड ऑन November 27, 2017 against the backdrop of the abolition of Planning Commission and the introduction of the GST. Moving to next question: Which of the following books were not written by the great Indian poet and dramatist महाकवि कालिदास? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी पुस्तक महान भारतीय कवि और नाटककार महाकवि कालिदास द्वारा नहीं लिखी गई थी? एंड द आंसर इज मालती माधव। मालती माधव is a social play in 10 acts by Bhavbhuti. He was an Indian dramatist and poet known for rival the outstanding plays of the better known playwright Kalidas. Moving to next question: Who among the following was the first Indian cricketer to hit a century in the very first session of a test match? निम्नलिखित में से कौन एक टेस्ट मैच के पहले सत्र में शतक लगाने वाले पहले भारतीय क्रिकेटर हैं? एंड द आंसर इज शिखर धवन। On June 14, 2018, he achieved this feat against Afghanistan and became the overall 6th batsman and the first for India. Moving to next question: What is the full form of CSIR? CSIR का full form क्या है? And the answer is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. CSIR is a contemporary research and development organization known for its cutting-edge R&D knowledge base in diverse science and technology area. Moving to next question: Who among the following pioneered binary logic and arithmetic in computers programming? निम्नलिखित में से किसने कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग में द्विआधारी तर्क और अंकगणित का बीड़ा उठाया? एंड द आंसर इज क्लाउड सेनन। American mathematician and computer scientist Claude Shannon conceived and laid the foundation for information theory. Moving to next question: Which of the following is not a water-borne disease? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा जल जनित रोग नहीं है? The answer is mumps. कंठमाला का रोग। Mumps is a viral infection that affects the salivary gland that is easily preventable by vaccine. Moving to next question: Every year, International Women's Day is celebrated on which date? हर साल अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस किस तारीख को मनाया जाता है? एंड द आंसर इज 8 मार्च। इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड टू commemorate the cultural, political and socio-economic achievement of women. The day also marks a call to action for accelerating gender parity. Moving to next question. Which mountains are on India's eastern border with Myanmar? म्यांमार के साथ भारत की पूर्वी सीमा पर कौन सी पहाड़ है? एंड द आंसर इज पूर्वांचल। Purvanchal is composed largely of strong sandstone. They are the eastern extension of the Himalayan range lying in northeastern India near Myanmar. Moving to next question. One belt, one road policy relates to which country? One belt, one road नीति किस देश से संबंधित है? And the answer is China, चीन। OBOR initiatives envisages the building of 6 major economic cooperation corridors and several key maritime pivot points across Eurasia. Moving to next question. Who is the author of the autobiography Playing It My Way? आत्मकथा Playing It My Way के लेखक कौन हैं? The answer is Sachin Tendulkar. The book summarizes Tendulkar's early days, his 24 years of international play and aspects of his life that have not been shared publicly. The book was launched on November 5, 2014 in Mumbai. Moving to next question. Desktop computers, laptop computers, tablet and smartphones are which type of computers? Desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet और स्मार्टफोन किस प्रकार के कंप्यूटर हैं? एंड द आंसर इज माइक्रो कंप्यूटर्स। Desktop computers, laptop computers, tablets and smartphones are microcomputers. Moving to next question. India adopted 2030 roadmap and held its inaugural meeting of financial market dialogue with which country? भारत ने 2030 रोडमैप को अपनाया और किस देश के साथ वित्तीय बाजार वार्ता की उद्घाटन बैठक की? एंड द आंसर इज यूके। India adopted 2030 roadmap and held its inaugural meeting of financial market dialogue with UK. Moving to next question. Which organization has released the report titled World Drug Report 2021? World Drug Report 2021 शीर्षक से किस संगठन ने रिपोर्ट जारी की है? The answer is UNODC. World Drug Report 2021 has been released by United Nations Office on Drug and Crime. The report states that 275 million people used drugs worldwide in the year 2020. Moving to next question. What does the letter E denotes in the term e-banking? E-banking शब्द में E अक्षर क्या दर्शाता है? The answer is electronic. Electronic banking. E-banking is an electronic payment system that enables customers of a bank or other financial institution to conduct a range of financial transactions through the financial institution's website. Moving to next question. What is the SI unit of pressure? दाब का SI मात्रक क्या है? And the answer is Pascal. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal, equal to 1 Newton per square meter. Moving to next question. India has signed 3-year work program with which country for cooperation in agriculture? भारत ने कृषि में सहयोग के लिए किस देश के साथ 3 साल के लिए कार्यक्रम पर हस्ताक्षर किए हैं? And the answer is Israel. India and Israel signed 3-year work program for development in agriculture cooperation. Moving to next question. When did the Kisan Credit Card Scheme for the farmers started in India? भारत में किसानों के लिए किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड योजना कब शुरू हुई? And the answer is 1998 to 1999. 1998-99. Kisan Credit Card Scheme was introduced in 1998 for issue of Kisan Credit Card on the basis of their holdings for uniform adoption by the bank so that farmers may use them to readily purchase agriculture input such as fertilizers, pesticides. This model scheme was prepared by the NABARD on the recommendation of R.V. Gupta Committee to provide term loans for agriculture needs. Moving to next question. Which of the following are flowerless plant that produces cones and seeds in which are not encased within an ovary? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा फूल रहित पौधा है जो शंकु और बीज पैदा करते हैं जिनमें बीज अंडाशय के भीतर नहीं होते हैं? द आंसर इज Gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are a group of plants which produce seeds that are not contained within an ovary or fruit. Moving to next question. As per the Constitution of India, the President may resign his office by writing under his hand address to whom of the following. भारत के संविधान के अनुसार राष्ट्रपति निम्नलिखित में से किसे संबोधित करते हुए अपने हस्ताक्षर के तहत अपने पद से इस्तीफा दे सकते हैं? एंड द आंसर इज द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, उपराष्ट्रपति. As per the Article 56 of the Indian Constitution, the President may writing under his hand address to the Vice President resigns his office. Moving to next question, and it is the last question of today's. Padma Shri awardee and Sufi Sant इब्राहिम सुतार बिलोंग टू विच स्टेट? पद्मश्री पुरस्कार से सम्मानित और सूफी संत इब्राहिम सुतार किस राज्य से संबंधित हैं? एंड द आंसर इज कर्नाटक. इब्राहिम सुतार इज एन इंडियन सोशल वर्कर फ्रॉम कर्नाटका. ही इज निकनेम्ड द कबीर ऑफ कनाडा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और सबसे पहले वीडियो पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. जय हिंद.